Okay, so we have a right circular cylinder, diameter of 22.5 inches, height of 33. So we're going to take that height 11.25, sorry, the diameter, 11.25 for the radius, and then we have a conversion here as well to look for the gallons of fuel. So let's start with a volume. Volume formula, pi r squared h. Okay, so real quick, r squared, pi r squared h right there. Let the calculator do that. 13,319. Now we're just going to convert. That's in inches cubed. So I was quick checking. Okay, the diameter's in inches, the height's in inches. So that's inches cubed. There's inches squared. There's another factor of inches. That's inches cubed. Now, I just chose to put inches cubed over gallons as kind of my key. So the conversion's there, and I'm going to set up a proportion, and then that's going to go up top where the inches cubed are. Then we're going to be able to solve for the gallons. So there goes that one. Divide by 231, and we get 57.7. Okay, so this looks like a density. The word per is kind of the indicator right there. Kilograms per cubic meter. Cubic meters, that's a volume. 752 kilograms, that's a mass. So density is mass over volume in this case. This is a little bit of a trick. Instead of giving us the radius, they're making us work for the radius by giving us the circumference. There's going to be a formula converting or finding the radius from the circumference. The height of this. Okay, so one of the assumptions we got to make is we've got to know that the tree is the closest diagram that we work with, the closest solid we work with that's similar to a tree is a cylinder. So we're making an assumption that it's close to a cylinder. All right, so here goes. First thing I'm doing from the circumference is finding the radius. Divide by 2 pi, or approximately 6.28. That'll get us the radius. Okay, now we're calculating the volume of that cylinder. We're assuming the oak tree is close to a cylinder. All right, now the density could be used to set up a proportion. We're going to go kilograms over cubic meters, so 752 over 1. Okay, and now this is a cubic meter, this volume, so X is going to be the kilograms. So we'll let that work out, cross multiply, and it's another multiply problem. Close enough to choice 2. Okay, so now we're looking at a sphere, diameter of 1.68, so the radius is going to be 0.84. This right here is a density. Ounces per means over, or division, so ounce over cubic inch. Now cubic inch is a volume. Okay, any units cubed is typically a volume. So that's what we're going to end up doing. First, we'll get the volume, the cubic inches. Okay, 4/3 pi r cubed. Just convert the radius to 0.84. And that's how many cubic inches of volume. Okay. Cross multiply, and there it is. Okay. Last one, no numbers. Well, in the answer, it's not a single, they didn't get it down to an answer. They've got it down to expressions. So a cube has the length, width, and height the same. So it looks like 8.5 to the third power, which is what the choices are showing. So all of them have the same cube, and then it's all subtract. So basically, they're trying to find out for the cone, did you, use the 1/3 pi r squared h. So this would be if you treated it as a cylinder. Okay, so 1 and 2 are out. Diameter of 8 centimeters. So that choice basically did not change the diameter to radius. So we know it's choice 4. That's 1/3 pi r squared h. Okay. So without any further work, we could just choose choice 4, but I'll go ahead and see what the process looks like here. Yeah, that was the key to that problem. So there we go. That's it for 17, and that'll be it for this video.